Hey everyone, want to link Google Analytics with Google Ads? In this video, I'll show you how to connect both platforms and use your data to improve your advertising performance step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Next, select the GA4 property you want to connect with Google Ads. Now open the Admin Asterisk section in Google Analytics and find the Google Ads links option under the Product Links section. Next, click link and choose the Google Ads account you want to connect. I mean, you need access to both the Google Analytics property and the Google Ads account to complete this setup. Review the linking settings and choose the options that allow data sharing between Google Analytics and Google Ads. Confirm the connection and complete the linking process. After the accounts are connected, open your Google Ads account and check that your analytics data is available for reporting and campaign optimization. Next, import important events or conversions from Google Analytics into Google Ads so you can measure campaign results more accurately. Review your advertising reports regularly to understand user behavior, traffic sources, and conversion performance. Finally, use the combined insights from Google Analytics and Google Ads to improve your campaigns and make better marketing decisions. And that's how to link Google Analytics with Google Ads. By connecting both platforms, you can better understand your audience, track campaign performance, and optimize your advertising strategy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.